welcome. And today I'm going to be showing you my brother Duncan. He's a bird. I know a lot of you probably will be asking, how is a bird even related to your chihuahua? But basically I'm about to show you. So I'm going to have to cover the camera up. So see ya. Okay, so this is Duncan, my brother. Look at him, he's so cute. Hey, bruh. Hey, bruh. Yeah, he can talk.
I like cats. I like cats. I like cats. Get squirrel. Get squirrel. Get squirrel. Get squirrel. Get squirrel.
Okay, come on. Talk. Talk instead of laughing.
Get squirrel. Get squirrel. Get squirrel. Get squirrel.
Man, you're so cute. Look at you. Man. So that's my brother. So, yeah. Look at how cute he is. But, like, what this video is supposed to be about was basically, as shown on the screen here, about showing you him. But there's more to it. So, I'm about to show you what I wanted to show you. So, yeah. Here's my sister. Hey. Hey, girl. And I'm just, walking around here. So, here's my sister. Yeah. She's just so pretty. I mean, seriously, look at my sister. Look at you. You're so pretty. Yeah, but I mean, she's the one that stole my phone. Ew. Oh my gosh. So, I'm going to show you more in a second. So, yeah. So, see ya. So, guys, couple questions actually, while you're, kind of looking at this red screen. Now, our first question will be, what is your favorite animal? Now, my favorite animal would have to be, well, how about we do a background screen for this? My favorite animal would have to be a wolf, definitely. As in some of my videos, I have said that I have a second channel called Swift Wolf 31. So, yeah. So basically, yeah, that's that. So, And our second question, let me do a new background. Is what is your favorite Star Wars character? So my favorite Star Wars character actually would have to be 3CPO, or is it C3PO? Oh, C3PO, yeah, C3PO. So new background for our next question. Okay, so our next question is, so how about we do, well, this is actually from Twitter, so, A next question would have to be, are you Batgirl? No, I'm actually not Batgirl. Now here's another question, so I'll show you a new background. Okay, so our next question is, are you friends with Wisteria Moon? No, I'm very sorry to say that I am not, but yeah. So that's about it that I can do today, so bye guys.